AI fashion models just changed e-commerce forever. Pick Copilot tutorial. The website Pick Copilot offers a variety of AI tools to enhance your e-commerce business. It helps improve listings, ads, and product images, which are crucial for converting viewers into buyers. Key features include the AI Product Ads Creator, which generates effective ad content for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok by using templates you can customize for your product and niche. Pick Copilot also provides instant backgrounds, allowing users to place product images into different settings, making them more appealing and relatable to customers. Conversely, it offers a white background feature to isolate products from their backgrounds, ideal for creating clean, professional listings. For bulk tasks, the Batch Remove Background tool can create uniform white backgrounds for multiple images, which is beneficial for platforms like eBay or Poshmark. Another notable tool is the Remove Watermark feature, which allows users to eliminate branded watermarks from images, reducing the risk of IP complaints and enabling the use of high-quality images from various suppliers. The website's standout feature is the Virtual Try-On. This tool uses AI to generate images of models wearing clothing items, helping customers visualize the products on themselves. This feature is especially useful for platforms like Poshmark, where clothing is a top seller. Pick Copilot streamlines the process of creating professional e-commerce listings, ads, and product images, making it easier and more cost-effective for users to manage and enhance their online stores.